we get this birthday list started with, what a beautiful name, Legacy Kelly. And what a great picture right there. I would love to know who took that picture. That is absolutely gorgeous. Legacy, a happy first birthday from all of us here at KOAM. The big girl is in Galena.
All right. Jordan Lansdowne celebrating birthday number 15.
There we go, Jordan.
Along with a pretty decent catch there.
There we go.
Jordan is in Carthage. Happy birthday.
All right, once again, as I like to tell all of our anglers who send in photos, next time you're headed out, my man, you hit me up. I'll just go ahead and put the poles in the back of the truck. And that way I got them wherever we go. Anthony Cable celebrating a 16th birthday. That's a sharp-dressed dude right there. Happy birthday to you and Mr. Anthony in Anderson.
Danny Dutton turning 59 years old this year. Hope it's a great one for you, Danny, in Joplin.
Steve Headley celebrating his 64th birthday. A very happy birthday to Mr. Steve. He is in Uniontown. And Melissa Dunning. Melissa, a happy birthday to you in Joplin. Does my good friend Nathan have one more for me? Yeah, he does. Nathan, you were the best for getting Miss Kylie on. Now, all right, little background. She's like an extended member of the Hayslip family, as the Osterman clan tends to be. And Miss Kylie, you don't know this, but I actually remember your mother, God bless her, walking around before you were even born in hot summer heat, carrying you. And now you're 8 years old. I want you to have a marvelous birthday, kiddo. You are something to behold, and know that we love you. The entire Hayslip family loves you very, very much. And so a happy birthday to Kylie Oster. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Special shout out